Hey everyone, today we're talking about something called the Move 37 method. And trust me, it's all about unlocking your AI's true creativity, a level you probably didn't even know was there.
So let me ask you something. Are you getting kind of boring, predictable answers from your AI? You know the feeling, right? You ask for something creative, and it just spits out the same old generic list you could have found on Google. It's so frustrating, and you start to wonder if these tools are even worth it.
Well, what if the secret isn't some brand new, complicated prompt trick? What if it's actually hidden inside a 2,500-year-old game? Yeah, you heard that right. The answer lies in a story about one single move that completely flipped our understanding of intelligence on its head. Okay, so let's set the scene. We're going back to March 2016. The whole world is watching this massive showdown. In one corner, you have Lee Sedol, the undisputed world champion of the game Go. And in the other corner, Google DeepMind's AI, AlphaGo. And then it happened. We're in game 2, and AlphaGo makes this move. Move 37. It puts a stone on the 5th line of the board. Now, to anyone who knows Go, this is just wrong. For centuries, every human master would tell you that's a rookie mistake, especially so early. It was just completely alien. Just how alien are we talking? Well, DeepMind crunched the numbers later. They found that AlphaGo had calculated the odds of a human pro ever making that same move. The chance? 1 in 10,000. This wasn't human strategy. It was something else entirely. You can just imagine the chaos. The commentators watching live, they thought the computer had malfunctioned, that it was a bug. And Lee Sedol, the best player on the planet, was so completely shocked he actually had to get up and leave the room just to compose himself. He was facing an intelligence he couldn't even comprehend. So, AlphaGo took that game, and the next one too. Suddenly, Lee Sedol is down 3-0 in a 5-game match. The pressure is immense. But then we get to game 4. And this is where we see one of the most incredible moments of human creativity ever. This is Move 78. People call it God's touch. And honestly, it lives up to the name. AlphaGo looked perfect, unbeatable. But Lee Sedol found this one tiny, almost invisible weakness, a brilliant wedge move that the AI just couldn't see coming. It was pure human genius. And here's where the story just gives you goosebumps. You're not going to believe this. AlphaGo's own calculations showed that the probability of a human playing Move 78 was, you guessed it, 1 in 10,000. It's this perfect, beautiful symmetry. Lee Sedol found the AI's Move 37, the one move so creative, so out there that the machine didn't even think to look for. That single move literally broke the AI. It triggered this rare failure mode they call a delusion. Basically, its whole internal system just crashed. The AI's confidence in winning plummeted, and it started making these bizarre, nonsensical moves. It just couldn't handle what happened. And that one move, it won Lee Sedol the game. Okay, so that's an amazing story, right? But what does a Go match from years ago have to do with you and me using AI today? Everything. Because this isn't just a cool piece of history, it's a blueprint, a practical framework we can use to get so much more out of our AI tools, starting right now. So we can break down our AI conversations into 2 distinct modes. On one hand, you have Move 37 thinking. That's when we ask the AI to be the alien, to give us that weird, unexpected, non-human perspective. But then you have Move 78 thinking. That's when we play the role of the human genius, using our specific context to ground the AI's big ideas in reality. This creates a whole new workflow, like a dance. You're constantly switching between these 2 modes. In Move 37 mode, you're letting the AI take the lead. Your mindset is simply, surprise me. But in Move 78 mode, you take the lead. Your mindset is, okay, now let's make this practical. It stops being a command and becomes a real collaboration. All right, so how do we actually get the AI to give us a Move 37? The big secret is to stop asking for best practices. Seriously, we need to start asking for the weird stuff, the counterintuitive ideas, the things no one else is thinking about. Here are 5 prompt styles you can try. There's the anti-best practice strategy. Literally ask for the opposite of common advice. The invisible asset detective, which is perfect for when you feel stuck. Or my absolute favorite, the strategic laziness scheduler, which is all about finding the smartest, not the hardest way to do things. Okay, now for the other half of the equation. Let's see how you applied your human God's touch, that Move 78 thinking.
We're going to walk through a quick example using that strategic laziness prompt. So let's imagine you're a side hustler, maybe a content creator, and your to-do list is just out of control. You feel like you're drowning in all the different writing you have to do for your blog, your videos, your newsletter, everything. The AI's Move 37 idea here is brilliant. It realizes your blog, script, newsletter, and social posts aren't separate tasks. They're all the same task, just in different formats. So the new workflow is ridiculously simple. You just talk out your ideas for 15 minutes, record it, and then tell the AI to turn that one transcript into everything else you need. Bam, you just saved yourself hours.
And that, right there, is the whole point. This isn't about man versus machine anymore. It's about having a new kind of partner. We're learning to use the AI's alien way of thinking to make our own human creativity even sharper. 3 years after that match, Lee Sedol actually retired from professional Go. And his reason was profound. He said that even if he became #1 again, there was now this entity that just couldn't be beaten. For him, that meant the game was over. But for us, it's a huge wake-up call that we need to learn how to play with it, not against it.
So where Lee Sedol saw this unbeatable opponent, we have the chance to see the ultimate sparring partner, one that can hit us with a crazy Move 37 that pushes us and challenges us, forcing us to dig deep and find our own brilliant Move 78. So I'll leave you with this question. The AI is ready. Are you ready to play?